Hello and welcome to Tully Elementary School, a great place to learn. We have an enrollment of about 750 students, kindergarten through 5th grade, and we have a recipe for success with the very best students, highly qualified staff, and supportive families. We also service preschool students as well. We have a variety of services to ensure all of your Tigers get everything they need, from exceptional child education to gifted and talented to the STEM program. All of the parts together with related arts and an outdoor classroom, as well as a large area in the back for playground. We have everything to make Tully Tigers happy and safe and learning.
At Tully, the visitors come into the office. They are buzzed in through the safety system outside, and when they come inside, they have to show their ID, and then they are allowed to get a visitor's pass, and then once they have a visitor's pass, they're able to go to visit their classrooms and other parts of the building. So let's go ahead and see some other things that Tully has to offer.
Hello, Tully families. I'm Miss Carrico. I'm the assistant principal here at Tully, and I wanted to take a quick second to talk to you about our school-wide expectations and our school-wide pledge, along with the district backpack of success skills. So at Tully, we have 3 school-wide expectations, and they are all about how we can all be our best selves. So we have I am responsible, I am respectful, and I am mindful. Also, daily, all of our Tigers in the morning before heading to class, we come together and we say our Tully pledge. And grounded in our pledge are our backpack of success skills that teach us how to be an effective communicator, an emerging innovator, a productive and a collaborative citizen, as well as a culturally and globally competent citizen. Now we're going to go off to some other friends here at Tully to learn more.
Hi, my name is Ashley Kalin, and I'm a primary reading interventionist here at Tully. I primarily work with our primary students to support them in reading and writing. I'd also like to take this opportunity to tell you guys all about our academics here at Tully. Our teachers are experts at guided reading. We use Engage New York as our math curriculum, and we've also started planning some very exciting project-based learning opportunities for your students.
Hi, my name is Daphne Franklin. I'm the ECE implementation coach here at Tully. I work with families and parents of students who have an individualized education plan or an IEP. We work together to support all of our Tully Tigers, but I also work with regular ed teachers, ECE teachers, related service staff, and our school psychologists to make sure all of our Tully Tigers are supported. I look forward to partnering with you this year. Thanks.
Hello, Tully Tiger families. My name is Carrie Sue Sankar, and I am the ESL teacher here at Tully. I'm so excited to be working with all these families this year, providing services for our ESL kiddos. I will be helping them with the reading, listening, speaking, and writing skills that they need to master all the standards in their general ed classroom. Please feel free to reach out to me. Just ask for Carrie, and I am available to help you in any way that I can.
Hi, my name is Aisha Thomas. I am one of the mental health practitioners here at Tully. This is Michael Sims. He is our other mental health practitioner here. And we are here to help any emotional or behavioral needs that the children have in the school, as well as individual or some small groups. And we are here to serve all children at Tully, so preschool all the way to 5th grade.
Hello, as Aisha said, my name is Michael Sims. I'm the other mental health practitioner. I will be helping Aisha a lot in her role, and I will be also helping Mr. Mulkins, our school counselor, in his role. I'll be working with the students at Tully, mostly in small group interactions, and serving the social emotional needs of our kiddos.
Mr. Malkins, the school counselor here at Tully. I serve a variety of roles. One thing that I do is work with all of our students through counseling in the classroom and doing different social emotional lessons. Also work with students that need academic and behavioral support, as well as parents that are needing the information and help with those types of things as well. I'm also the building assessment coordinator, so I do all testing here at Tully. So anything from advanced program, gifted and talented, all the way through K-Prep and EL testing. So if you need any information about any of that type of thing, that I am the person that you would come to for information about that.
Welcome to Tully STEM Lab. I'm Miss Hoffman, and when your child comes into STEM Lab, he or she is a scientist. We work with technology and engineering and then integrate math into everything that we do. Our science, we follow JCPS's science curriculum where we conduct investigations. I work with homeroom teachers to make sure what they are doing in STEM Lab is connected to what they are doing in science in the homeroom. We also follow the National Geographic Framework for Education that inspires students to become explorers and understand the world around them. In addition to science, students are introduced to technology here. We use a variety of robots as well. Lego robotics is a favorite where students are taking that engineering component and connecting it with the technology. We might have a variety of animals in here, so ask your child about any animals that you see. This is a praying mantis that we currently have in. Next week we're going to have a variety of them. And we also use a program called Engineering is Elementary, and that was developed by the Boston Museum of Science. So students are encouraged to become engineers and think creatively and solve problems. So I know that when your child comes home, he or she probably, if they came to STEM Lab that day, probably has something great to say about it. So make sure you ask your child about their STEM Lab experiences.
You have learned so much about our wonderful school here at Tully today, and we just want to showcase a few other things. We also have many extracurricular activities for our students to enjoy across grade levels. We have cross country and track. We also have opportunities for basketball for students in 3rd through 5th grade, and we have cheerleading, yoga, and soccer.
Also, we have extracurricular activities such as art club, ensemble, roving reporters, FCA, the academic team, the Tullycast, who does videos like this. So many things for you to be involved in, because we know that our Tully Tigers have a sense of community here at Tully.
We also love to celebrate at Tully. We are building a strong sense of community and a strong sense of belonging within each and every one of our students. Along with that, we celebrate many things along the ways. So you may receive a phone call from us, and that's a POW award for something amazing that they have done. We also have student leadership opportunities and celebrations, as well as leadership, honor OT, and many, many more throughout the year.
And we could not do any of our work without our strong PTA. Our PTA supports us and our Tully Tigers in every way, and we are so thankful to them. So if you haven't joined yet, don't forget to join PTA. Thank you for watching our video today, and we hope you got a little glimpse into our world at Tully, and we can't wait to see our Tully Tigers and you very soon.
Thanks. Thank you.